So in my view, we've reached almost a turning point here in South Africa, and I see three big changes going on. So what I see is there's going to be a lot more growth in the C&I space, which is commercial and industrial, and the utility space. So many manufacturers will come up with better and better products for that market. I also see a consolidation between manufacturers where the same manufacturer will produce inverters, batteries, and their own apps, and we can see that happening already. So the third element I see is a bit more professionalism in the industry, where installers will get more and more skill, especially attending training courses like what we offer here at Solar Europe free of charge. And there will be a lot more products and education from manufacturers through their own website. And I think distributors, manufacturers, and installers alike will all going to evolve into more professional status going forward.
Got more questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more expert solar advice. Thank you for watching. We hope the video answered your questions about going solar in 2025 and making the right decision.